Waterworks by MinKi. Where does water come from? Water is a limited and precious resource and the only substance in natural found as a liquid, solid, and gas. Most of the world's fresh water is frozen and most of the world's water is too salty and cannot be drunk. Only 3% of the world's water is fresh and less than 1% of that water is drinkable. The sun's heat causes evaporation from streams, lakes, oceans, and rivers, and transpiration from plants. It then changes to a gas called water vapor, which forms clouds, and this is called condensation. The clouds get heavier and heavier as more water evaporates and forms bigger clouds, and when they get too heavy, it rains, hails, sleets, or snows. This is called precipitation. After the water has fallen, it collects in rivers, lakes, oceans, and aquifers. Some people's only water sources are wells. This water is clean when it filters into the ground through sand gravel. Pipes bring clean water to our houses, so we always have a constant water supply. This water is first cleaned and stored in a reservoir. How is water used? Water can be used in many different ways depending on where we are. When we are at home, our most important use of water is drinking. Did you know 80% of our body is water? Other uses of water are cooking our food, washing our supplies, brushing our teeth, and bathing or showering ourselves. We also use water for the plants in our gardens. We can also use water to transport goods or people along rivers. We're not the only one who needs water. Animals need water to survive. Industries use water to run their productions. Industries are big factories which produce items we call products. Many industries use large amount of water. A paper mill uses water in many of the production stages. If we could reduce the amount of water paper mills use, we could use that water for other things. A lot of other industries use more water than they need. Cement needs a lot of water too. So do sporting factories, bottling plants, mines, and reservoirs. Now do you see it is important to use water wisely? How is water polluted? Water is polluted because people throw rubbish, food items, and dead animals into it. Sometimes oil and gases leak from boats. Water is also polluted by washing our hands with soap. Some factories pollute water by pouring toxic wastes, chemicals, and dirty water into it. How can we protect and conserve water? We can protect and conserve water by using less soaps, shampoos, and cleaning items. We can make a poster to persuade people to use less water. We can put up signs near water to stop people from throwing rubbish near to the water. Governments can make laws to stop factories from pouring oils and chemicals into water sources. The end. Thank you for watching.